Hey, my name's Neil from Energy Entertainment. Today we're going to learn the dragon staff trick one-armed roll. A few things to work out first. One-arm row is going to roll down your arm. So if you're, whatever move you're doing before, if you're doing just a standard row, it rows down your arm this way. Okay, so it rows down the front. As soon as it hits your top of your hand, you're going to rotate over, bring your arm or hand into your neck to create this pattern. Okay, so once it rows down your arm, onto the back of your hand and stop. Okay, so a little bit slower, it rows down your hand. It's always good to do it in a motion as well, like a circular motion. So as it rows down, it comes up, stays on the back of your hand comes to your neck, and then it rows back down your arm. Guys, thanks for watching. It's a tricky one. Keep practicing. If you've got any questions, please ask in the comments. If you'd like to see more dragon staff, poi, whip cracking, please subscribe, give us a like, and we'll make more videos.